A mobile patrolling team from the Kalyanpur Police Station successfully intercepted a smuggling operation at the Mangal Para in North Maha Ranipur, seizing high-value illegal timber valued at approximately 1.5 lakh. The Bolero pickup truck, along with the entire cache of 70 to 80 feet of illegal alleged timber, was towed and secured at the Kalyanpur Police Station.
সেটা চকত বানাইছে 2400 টাকা করে বলে ফটো কত যায় কেন বেড়াটার কিনার দিয়া একদম
The operation has further intensified public scrutiny on the local forest department as civil police continue to lead the frontline battle against deforestation in the area. According to police sources, the burst took place late Thursday night while a police team was out on routine mobile patrolling. Acting swiftly on a sudden, precise tip-off regarding a contraband shipment moving through the sector, the patrol team set off an immediate intercept at Mangal Para. During the raid, police intercepted a Bolero pickup truck with registration number TR-06-C-1823 stacked with illegal timber. However, sensing the presence of the police force, the driver managed to abandon the vehicle and escape into the dark. The Bolero pickup truck, along with the entire cache of 70 to 80 feet of illegally logged timber, was towed and secured at the Kalyanpur Police Station. Police officials confirmed that a formal case has been registered under the relevant sections of the law.
Actually, tini sharik hai anumanik 8 jarawa tong mobile duty tongmani ajaro kaisa huja kokma phaika je North Maha Ranipur ni Mangal Para o kaisa gari card bujai khai tongo oboidobabe mane raida sai atike accordingly song information manna pore song Chini thanani staff soho ani second officer je tongma bo soho angkhanka thangma pore song je jaga sokaka matro gari kaisa manka ange ajagani suno police nogoi gari driver rok khatta khata ge gari wo card rok manka card anumanik 70 থেকে 80 ফুট রঙ্গানো কাঠ ও আনুমানিক 1 থেকে 1.5 লাখ রাং মারিনি গানো তাবক আপাতত जों থানাও তো ফেকাসিস খাयै আবন পরে as per the law tongoi जों কাটনো উলো ফরেস্টনা হ্যান্ডওভার খাইদিনা.
Following the completion of initial police documentation and legal formalities, both the vehicle and the seized timber will be officially handed over to the Forest Department for further investigation and asset disposal.
পাঁচটা ওই মানে জঙ্গল আর কি এটা দিন কেন বেড়াটার কিনা কালকে দিনের বেলা গিয়ে একটা ফটো দিতে হবে ফরেস্ট করতে বলে
Reported by Bolero from Khorang, Chini, Khorang.